Hi, how are you? I am Herbalist Shahid. I am here today with a new video in my herbal clinic. You already know I am a world famous herbal doctor and I am also having a great experience in my field. You know that there are many peoples, many thousands peoples who are coming and visiting from all over the world and many different countries in my clinic because I am a herbalist doctor with a many awards. I also won many best performance and best medicine specialist in herbal medicines. So today, what is the topic? I want to share you that today topic is a oil for hair growing because you know that this is a biggest problem of us nowadays. Many women and men are facing the problem, their hairs are falling, their hairs are even getting white. Many time ago, many, like you can say, before their ages ago, before they become a old. And I also want to tell you that this oil also helps you to just get right on a dandruff. This oil I also want to show you. Here is the oil. This oil also help you to get right on all the problems of your hairs. If you think that your hairs are not thick, if you also think that you are also facing a lot of problem like you are getting bald, like you can say your head is getting bald, and you are also so worried that what we have to do to get a thicker hair, to get right on dandruff, to get right on these all the problems. And you know that most of the people are having the problems, and women, they are also saying, they are giving a complaints that their hairs are not getting growing. So you know that it affects on our personality, because if we don't have a big hairs, it's really creating a lot of problems. So when we goes in a parties, we goes in different places, we really we feel embarrassed, we feel like many very bad on that time, because on that time mostly people make a joke of us, make a fun of us. So that's why today I am having a very best oil for you. Using this oil, you will be amazed. The results will be very awesome, and you will also say that it have a best result for you. So let me tell you what products, what things, what herbs we have to use to just get and create and make or prepared this oil. Let me tell you, first you have to take almond oil, you have to take it 20 gram. Second thing, you have to take olive oil, its quantity is also 20 gram. Third thing is castor oil, you have to get also 20 gram. Next thing is pigment coho, it's also 20 gram. And next things, lettuce seed oil, you also have to get 20 gram. And next is pigment neem, you also have to get a 20 gram. Just you have to mix all these oils, very easy. After mixing them, the product, the oil for growing hair to get right on a dandruff will be ready for you, and you have to use it just in the morning and in the evening time, and you have to just massage on your head. After massage it, you can take a shower after 20 minutes. If you don't take a shower, no problem. And I also want to tell you that this oil you have to use 1 month. If you want any oil, any product, any medicine, herb medicine course for your any problem, like if you have a sexual problem, if you have a headache, if you have a stomach problem, if you have hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or you are having a blood pressure, or you are having a heart attack, or you are having a heart disease, if you have a AIDS, or if you are having a stomach problem and even cancer, I am having products because I do treatment all these diseases which are not curable. So I have a cure of all these diseases. So this was a oil for you today. So we will talk in next meeting. I will come with a new video for you very soon. So before I go, I want to give you my number. My number is 0092 301 222 8032. That's my number, and WhatsApp is also working on same number. You can connect with me. And I also want to tell you that any product, any medicine, any herbs, you have to just give a order. You have to just send us a message on a WhatsApp or call us or message us. We will just deliver you the product on your doorstep, on your home, because it takes 2 to 3 days or 5 to 6 days to deliver the products through DHL on your house. So it's very easy. And please like my channel, subscribe it and share it. We will meet in next video. Give me permission, allow me to go. We will talk very soon. Goodbye.